Alright. What do we do, 4 rooms? 5 rooms?
3 or 4 bedrooms plus this living room.
Okay, we're just going to video this living room because it's kind of dark.
It's too dark everywhere.
It's a real shady area, which is nice, but this is the biggest room and the brightest room. We're going to just show a little bit of cleaning.
It may be dark on camera, we don't know, because it's kind of dark in here. But
well, the problem when the camera boosts the lighting up is you start seeing things that aren't really there 100%. Like there's it just boosts everything. So you may have something that shows up on camera, we can't even see it with the naked eye. So these carpets, they said, are about 12 years old.
And they're in nice condition.
They're in nice condition. Just got a little,
they take care of them.
A little bit of traffic area here coming in the door, and then in front of the sofa, and everything else. I mean, it looks really, really nice. Temporarily unplugged the aquarium, and Oscar, the little Oscar in there, he's getting upset. His light went off.
So let me, I need to spray some more.
Okay, I'm gonna pause. We're gonna pre-spray
A little more.
A little more of the room here, so stay tuned. All right, we pre-sprayed. We're not gonna do the whole room quiet. We're gonna do, because we're gonna move that chest. So we're going to clean around it, and then we're going to move it through the other half of the room.
We're going to move y'all's coffee table over that side afterwards. Because I'm sure that's not where that table sits.
No, I've already moved it over and vacuumed all around it.
We'll clean underneath. Well, yeah, we'll clean the spot where it sits at and try to put it back where it belongs.
Not really a coffee table, but I know.
Yeah, it's a chest, isn't it?
I found it about 12 years ago.
Well, it's pretty neat. If I found it, I want to keep it too. It's
Yeah, it's like a blanket chest.
one of
Or
those things
something.
Well,
you
it
just
looked
gotta
like
have.
crap. It was like busted apart. And
Really?
Glued it together, sanded it down.
It's a cedar inside too, right?
Cedar, so.
Yeah, those are
They're
nice.
nice and they're
But
probably
then
valuable.
through the years, the kids have beat it up. Dogs have chewed the corner off of it. I'm going to have to redo it again. When we're done with kids, I'll redo everything again.
Oh yeah.
We're about to put sheetrock in here.
Oh, you got the little popcorn ceiling thing going a little bit.
This is all 1960s. Everything was built and put in here. Well, actually, underneath this, there's sheetrock under it.
Oh, under the paneling.
They put paneling over the sheetrock.
I think that paneling's sort of cool in a way.
Retro.
It's different.
No, this is not.
That's like a wallpaper
That
sometimes.
lady that sold us this house that did this.
It's neat. It's different. You don't see it
Paper
everywhere.
sack.
Is that what it is?
It's paper bags, and you just glue it on the lawn, and you rub a little stain on it.
Oh,
I've heard of that
leather,
before.
right? It's
It looks like a paper mache.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool in a way.
it is cool. It's
You
different.
could just paint it, I guess, if you had to, but
Yeah, I painted another color. Paint white. It is nice though.
yeah, it's nice and cool out here.
We have an oversized living district.
That always
They put
helps.
in- It's like something you'd sit on a commercial.
This is actually a duplex, right?
It used to be.
I don't think it ever was.
Huh.
It looks kind of, well, it's kind of
It's got
funny because
one
of where the
bathroom.
doors are at.
It's got one bathroom.
One bathroom.
That's how they used to do it back in the 60s.
It may have been a duplex. I really don't know.
With one bathroom, I don't know.
If they did, they shared the hallway.
Yeah, they shared, they had a, shared the bathroom.
It looks like those old hotels with the one bathroom down the hall.
I think it's just the way they done it. They just put the door on that bedroom. This house has 4 doors. Exit doors.
You might come over here, Joe, and get this. I mean,
Oh, I'll show a little bit here.
it's coming up. So you can go in there and stand. It's better. Trying to knock off.
Got a rope buffer.
Huh?
You
It's an
Yeah,
orbital.
it's an orbital machine.
So it basically cleans all sides of the fibers because of the motion it takes. Like an orbital sander, it's a random orbit type of thing.
It orbits at 30 orbits per second. So it just hits everything super fast. It does all sides of the carpet. And, I mean, it just takes the stuff out and then it turns it onto one that's called plumbing.
All right, I'm gonna pause here until we move everything. Be right back. All right, just finishing up.
It's a moderately dirty carpet. It's not bad, but it's all just coming right on up. It's going to be real nice when it's done.
And they've got birds, little birds. They put the birds outside. We covered the fish tank, and they put the birds outside before we put down the pre-spray. Always keep an eye on that when you're doing.
Yeah, if they have birds or fish,
Yeah.
be careful with your pre-spray.
Yeah.
If it goes up in the air, you land on the birds or land on the fish.
Just assume it's going to atomize a little bit, get up in the air. And
You're probably
just protect
safe, but
things.
you better take precautions.
Yep.
Just in case something could happen.
Well, you don't want to have to bury a bunch of birds.
You don't want to harm nobody's pets.
All right, everything's good.
That's it.
I'm going to pause the camera. There may not be anything more to this video than this, but I'll pause it in case we do find a spot we want to video some more. But if so, the video will continue. If not, then it's over. And check the video description for all the links and details. I'll show a little more. We got this room he's working on. Let me sneak by, which isn't much. And back here they've got another room. And this one's got plenty of light. So I might try to show some of this back here. There's not a lot to it. It's pretty easy. Just put down your pre-spray, and of course it needs to be vacuumed, but they did that really well before we got here. Put down a pre-spray and just start cleaning. The bonnet absorbs tons and tons and tons of dirt. And the carpets will be dry in under an hour. Generally, now if it's raining outside and high humidity in the house, it's going to take longer. Got one area over here, you can kind of see the contrast. Let's see how that turns out.
I need to spray this.
Okay.
I didn't do it yet.
Must back here so I don't get any pre-spray up on my lens. This is actually a Sunday. It's Sunday the 11th of August. So it's a nice, pleasant way to spend part of your Sunday. You can see they got a nice area. Just all shady. Out in the country a little bit.
Okay, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
Stand back there, and you can film. I'll get on one side, and then you can switch over to the other side.
All right.
Right back there and film me. I'll just back it out.
Let me pop it to the corner here.
All right. Yeah, just stay right there.
Gotta get my belly out of the shot.
Okay, move over where I clean. All right. That's it. Now we can make the video. We don't know how dark it is. But it may be real dark, or the camera may be boosting the light pretty good so y'all can see.
Looks like there's a little tape on the carpet. We'll
There might be, there might be.
let that be. Let me sneak by and I'll get in that room.
Hang on.
Just don't hit that towel. I'd hate to see you drag that whole thing down on the floor.
I don't think it'll drag anything.
Hasn't pre-sprayed in here yet, so. Alright. I'm going to pause because we have to pre-spray. Okay, we're back in this little room, and we did spray some ammonium peroxide down on this dark area.
We don't know if that dark area is coming out.
Since that peroxide's reacting, it may be a pet mess or something.
Ooh, I smell peroxide.
That's ammonia.
Ammonia, I mean, yeah.
Like a gouge in the carpet, or just a dent from the furniture. Again, check the video description for links. Links for the products that we used. Watch out behind you, there's a backpack you'll hit. Links for the products that we used, and we have an Amazon store. I'll put a link in there too. With about 3,000 plus items that we sell. So. That stuff that's stuck on the carpet seems to be coming up. If you want to go over it a little bit more.
What stuff?
It's like some, I don't know, something crusty stuck on there. You see it right here?
No. But I'll just run over it, whatever it is.
There's a little more of it right here too.
I don't see it.
Right there.
That's all right. Whatever it is, I don't see it.
Alright, let's see if that stuff wants to cooperate.
I have a feeling it won't come up. It's almost like it could be spray paint or something. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it may lighten. Every once in a while you get some stuff and somebody spray painted a piece of furniture or something. Once upon a time you got some overspray or something on carpets.
That kind of thing. It could very well be what it is.
So yeah, this woodwork in here is darker, varnish. It could have been someone varnished the woodwork in here a long time ago.
I'll come back with some of that. Let me get this rest of this room while it's wet.
And we're using a neutral pH pre-spray, so there's not going to be any residue. The carpets will be soft and won't be any residue. Now, if someone else has cleaned the carpets in the past, you can't account for the shampoo or something maybe left behind for someone else that's cleaning it, but we haven't added anything to it. So.
Nope, it's our first time here, so. Alright, let me see if I can work on all this.
It's a bluish thing right there.
There is some permanent damage. That's not just a color. There's an indention in the carpeting.
It's looking better though.
It's it's got something. It's a cigarette burn in there. Cigarette,
Oh, that little spot.
or a cigar. Yeah. It's got ashes burned into it. It's something.
Okay, we're about done. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. We got one more room to do, but it's not. We're trying to make a video in, so.
You can go show the room if you want to, so they can see what
Nah,
we're doing.
I got to go over a bunch of stuff to
Oh,
get
that
to.
carpet's dry already, man.
Yeah. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And, like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.